Crepe maker and Dosa maker. Versatility. Non-stick coated plate surface lets you quickly and easily make crepes, soft tortillas, tacos, blintzes, egg rolls, chapati, and more breakfast favorites. Heat up quickly in 20 seconds. Forget from your old crepe pan. Cord length, 27.5 inch. Perfectly combo. Our electric crepes maker with an automatic temperature controller prevents burning. High-powered heating element, 120 volt, 60 Hz, 800 watts, operated by a one-press on-off switch to indicate when the surface is hot enough to begin cooking. The long handle design for easy holding operating saves space and makes you feel safe and love using it. Highly convenient. Our crepe machine is a compact, quick, and convenient cooktop. This nonstick crepe maker has a large cooking die-cast aluminum area of 8 inch, making it easy to create restaurant-style crepes. Preheat the crepe maker, spread a thin layer of batter, and watch your crepe cook in seconds. Easy to clean, this round electric single